Running a social media presence can get quite expensive. There are a lot of tools that are needed, and all of them will try to get their hands on your hard-earned money. Well, in this video I'll be showcasing you the best tools that will enable you to find, create and schedule content on social media completely for free. If you enjoy these types of videos, make sure you smash that like button and let's get started. There are going to be timestamps for the different tools which I'm going to be covering in this video in the description box below, but let's actually get started on how can we plan what to post on social media for free. The tool which I am using is called 𝗨𝘀𝗀𝗧𝗂𝗋. It's an entirely free website which enables you to research the type of content that your audience is looking for. It's also super easy to use. All you have to do is basically input the keyword, pick a category or add your own websites, and then the site will give back to you dozens and dozens of recommendations that you can use in your content entirely for free. Alternative tools which are also completely free and can get the job done are 𝗨𝘀𝗲𝗄𝗧, 𝗧𝗏𝗪𝗀𝗡𝗂, as well as Reddit. Now that we know what to post, how can we actually create that content? Well, quite simply, and honestly I'm not entirely sure how this is even legal, but 𝗨𝗀𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗀 is a 100% free Photoshop alternative which you can utilize to create your everyday social media content. It features most, if not all, the tools that Photoshop, a $40 per month subscription, has to offer. And on top of that, it is based entirely in your browser, so you don't have to download anything on your computer. Another free alternatives that you can be utilizing in order to create your content are 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝗁𝗂𝗪 as well as 𝗨𝘀𝗧𝗏𝗂𝗪. We understood how to research content as well as how to create it, but in order to create your social media posts, you also need imagery, vectors, 3D mockups and so much more, which you can actually find in 𝗨𝗨𝗃, our next tool. 𝗨𝗨𝗃 is the tool which I am utilizing, and it has one of the most diverse galleries of online resources out there. You can find everything from templates to mockups and actual photography, which you can utilize in your content completely for free. Alternatives to 𝗨𝗨𝗃 are Unsplash, Specsauce and Pixabay. After we've got our content ready, we actually want to schedule that content on any given social media platform. For that, I utilize Creator Studio, which is an entirely free scheduling platform developed by Facebook for Facebook and Instagram. And for any alternative social media platforms like Twitter, you can be utilizing Hootsuite or Buffer. And after we've done all of that hard work, we also want to make sure that we can analyze the results and see what the benefits of our social media presence are. And entirely for that reason, we have analytical tools such as Social Blade, which enable us to check pretty much every single social media platform out there and see how we are growing and how our engagement is looking. Can be phenomenal solutions for this matter. Alternatively, you can utilize tools such as Not Just Analytics for Instagram, which is my favorite, as well as 𝗨𝗨𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 for Twitter, which is also quite robust. I know that researching, planning, creating and scheduling content isn't easy. I've been there, believe me, but these tools will definitely make your life easier. And if you're struggling even afterwards, make sure you click this video and go learn how to master social media in just 30 days. And remember, stay brave.